Hey guys, I want to welcome you to Montgomery College Summer 2 to the course TVRA 134, and that is Media Appreciation. So welcome everyone. My name is Professor Diener, and I will be your teacher for this quarter. So anyway, everything you will need to learn from this class will either be through the lectures, which we will do on Collaborate Ultra, and I'll let you know how to find Collaborate Ultra in Blackboard. Also through your textbook called Media Essentials, and I need you to get a copy of that book. It can be an online version or it can be the hardback version or paperback version. Make sure you get your hands on one of those copies because there will be questions on the test that will be coming from the text. So there will be, so I want you to log in to MyMC, go to Blackboard, pull up TVRA 134, and then go through and look at your syllabus. I also have a link on how to understand your syllabus, so you might want to check that video link out. And then I also want you to look under course content, and that's where you're going to find the 12 modules of the course that we're going to be learning from this semester. So we'll be starting out with media basics, then we'll be going to the origins of books and newspapers, magazines, etc. And I'll also post links to videos and things like that. So get familiar, if you're not already, with Blackboard and the course content so that you can see we will be having 4 tests plus a final. And so that's a total of 5 exams. Now, if you take the first 4 tests and you are happy or satisfied with your grades, then you do not need to take the final. And if you want, and you've taken the 4 tests and you are not satisfied with one of those grades, we will drop one of those grades and we will replace it with the final grade. And we will be doing some class presentations. Now I say class presentations because we won't actually be in class, but what I would like you to do for those is prepare a PowerPoint, and all of that will be, we'll discuss that in class, and we will also, that's also listed in your syllabus on how to prepare your presentations, but don't worry about that yet. I just want you guys to get settled with using Blackboard and looking at your syllabus and the course content. And with that being said, I look forward to working with everyone, and I know we're going to have a great semester. It's a really fun class, and I'll see all you guys on Monday. All right, thanks very much. Have a great day.